In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable autoplay videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if your Facebook videos are not playing automatically, let me show you how you can easily fix it. So guys, first off, we need to open up Facebook app and then just tap right here to go to menu. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, guys. So once you are here at menu, first off you need to tap at that gear to go to settings. After that, just scroll down until under the preferences section you will find this media option. It may also be called photos and videos or something like that on your Facebook app. And here we can easily find the section which is called autoplay, and that's where we can easily kind of figure when videos will play automatically. As you can see, now it is set to never autoplay videos. However, we can switch it to on Wi-Fi only or even on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And after that we can go to homepage, and now we can check how it works right now. As you can see, stories are now playing automatically even if we don't open them. And also if we go down, let's say to Reels section, we can easily see that now Reels are playing automatically. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.